Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you. On the occasion of Ram Navami, Indians saw a spectacular scene occurring in the Ram Mandir where a beam of sunlight entered Garbhagriha and illuminated the forehead of Ram Lalla's idol on the special occasion of Ram Navami. Well, this phenomena that lasted for 2 to 3 minutes took 10 scientists from premier institutes of India to create this phenomena. Let me take you through more details that how science, mirrors and lenses played their part for this exact phenomena to happen at exact very moment. At noon today, the Grand Ram Temple in Ayodhya witnessed a unique event as the forehead of the Ram Lalla idol anointed with a ray of sunlight known as Surya Tilak on the occasion of Ram Navami. Using cutting-edge scientific expertise, a 5.8 centimeter beam of light illuminated the deity's forehead. To achieve this remarkable phenomena, a specialized instrument has been designed. A team of 10 esteemed Indian scientists is stationed at Ram Mandir to ensure the success of this auspicious event on the Ram Navami. For approximately 3 to 3.5 minutes starting at noon 12 p.m., sunlight precisely directed onto the statue's forehead using a combination of mirrors and lenses. The team has worked tirelessly to finalize the mechanism before the highly anticipated day. Commissioned by the Temple Trust, scientists from a leading government institution have devised a sophisticated apparatus consisting of mirrors and lenses. This mechanism, officially termed as Surya Tilak mechanism, marks a significant scientific and engineering feat. Pradeep Kumar Ramcharla, scientist and director at Central Building Research, Roorkee, explained the intricate working of the optomechanical system. The optomechanical system consists of 4 mirrors and 4 lenses fitted inside the tilt of mechanism pipping systems. The complete cover with an aperture for the tilt mechanism is placed at the top floor to divert the sun rays through mirrors and lenses to the Garbhagriha. The final lens and the mirror focus the sun rays on the forehead of Sri Ram facing the east. The tilt mechanism is used to adjust the first mirror's tilt, sending the sun rays towards north direction, and to second mirror to make the Surya Tilak on every year's Sri Ram Navami. All the piping and the parts of the manufactured using brass material, the mirrors and the lens are of very high quality and durable to sustain a long period. The inner surface of pipes, elbows and enclosures are black powder coated to avoid scattering of sunlight. Also, at the top of aperture, an infrared filter glass has also been used to restrict sun's heat waves from falling onto the idol's forehead. The development of Surya Tilak mechanism involved collaboration between the scientists from CBRI Roorkee and Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bangalore. Employing a special gearbox and using reflective mirrors and lenses, the team orchestrated the precise alignment of sun rays from the temple's 3rd floor to the inner sanctum Centurium using established principles of solar tracking. Technical support from the Indian Institute of Astrophysics and manufacturing expertise of Optica, a Bangalore-based company, further helped the project's execution. Pradeep Chauhan, scientist at the Central Building Research Institute, Roorkee, said with confidence that Surya Tilak flawlessly anoints the statue of Ram Lalla given the fixed date of Ram Navami based on the lunar calendar. Intricate arrangements involving 19 gears were implemented to ensure the timely occurrence of this auspicious ritual without relying on the electricity, batteries and iron-based components. India's premier institution in the field of astronomy, the Indian Institute of Astrophysics in Bengaluru, devised a solution to reconcile the apparent disparity between the lunar and solar calendars. We possess the requisite expertise in the positional astronomy, elaborated Annapurni Subramaniam, director of IIA, adding this expertise was also applied to ensure the sun rays symbolized a Surya Tilak that could ceremoniously anoint the idol of Ram Lalla on every Ram Navami. The team of CSIR CBRI includes Dr. C.K. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned to the Savera.